In this activity, I will demonstrate how to use the operator element to clear values from the page layout within the BoomiFlow employee app. Now on the BoomiFlow build canvas, I'm going to use an operator element. So I'm going to locate the operator element here, and we're going to just place this above our back outcome on our canvas. And then in the name text box, I'm going to enter clear fields, and then click on new operation. And then here I'm going to select or create a new value. And for this first selection, we're going to select our first name string value. And from the drop down for how do you want to change the value, I'm going to select empty. And then so essentially what we're doing here is I'm going to create operations for clearing all of the values from our page layout. So the first one we've done here is the first name value that's entered. So I'm going to click on apply operation. And then we're going to click on new operation and select or create a new value. And this time we're going to select our last name string value, which is here. And I'm going to select empty from the drop down again. And then apply the operation. And then again, new operation. Select or create a new value. And this time I'm going to locate the salutation. So here we have our salutation selection. We want to make sure that we select the correct value here, so we want to use our salutation selection. And we're going to empty that. Click on apply operation. And then we're just going to continue to select all of the values that we had created on that page layout. So I'm going to walk through that here. We're going to click on new operation again. Select or create a new value. And this time we're going to locate our phone value. So I don't see our phone value shown here, so I'm going to search for it. So I'm going to just type in phone. And there it is, our phone string value. So we're going to select that. Empty it. Apply the operation. Then we're going to look for our email value. So we're going to click on new operation. Select or create a new value. Here's our email string. Want to empty this. And then apply the operation again. And then next we're going to locate our office selection. So we want to click on new operation. Select or create a new value. So here we have our office selection. And then we're going to empty that. Next, click on new operation again. Select or create a new value. And we're going to locate our work phone selection. Here we have work phone selection. We're going to empty it. So we want to apply the operation. Then click on new operation again. Select or create a new value. And we're going to locate the work phone Boolean value. So we want to select that. Empty it. And then apply the operation. Then we're going to click on new operation again. And select or create a new value. And this time we want to locate our company car selection. So here we have our company car selection. We're going to empty this and then apply the operation. Then create another operation. And we're going to find our company car Boolean value. Empty that value. Apply the operation. So after clearing our company car Boolean value, now we want to click on new operator again. And this time we're going to be finding our unique PIN. So here we have our unique PIN. We're going to empty it. and then apply the operation, then new operation, create a new value. We want to locate the corporate credit card Boolean value, which is here, empty it, apply the operation, and then one more operation. We're going to locate the seat assignment Boolean value, empty that, then apply the operation. And here we have all 13 operations that are going to be clearing all the values that would be shown on our page layout. So we're going to save the operator. And then we're going to delete this back outcome. Just click on back. When you see the bright green box, then you're just going to press the delete key on your keyboard. Confirm your delete by clicking on the red delete button. And then we can move the operator a little bit closer to our flow. And then we're going to create an outcome from our step element to our operator element. And in the name text box, we're just going to enter the word back and enter the same word in the label text box. So that recreates our back button. Then we're going to save the outcome. And here we can click on the outcome and move it, just to make it a little bit more visible. And then we're going to continue that outcome by creating it from our operator element to our page layout. So we'll just enter back in the name text box, save the outcome, and then move it a little bit again. And now we have our operator element within our flow, and our back outcome is recreated. Then we're going to click on the publish icon, and we're going to enter BoomiFlow-employee app-clear fields operator, and then we can click on publish, and then we can run our flow, and then we want to click on let's get started. And then if we make some selections here in our page layout again, I'll just do that quickly. So here we have our selections that have been made. Then I'm going to click on submit and click on done after we've received our corporate credit card message. And then I'm just going to click on thank you. So that takes us to our final step element, which has all of our information shown. And now we see our back button here. So I'm going to click on back, and it takes me back to my page layout, and now all my fields are cleared because of the operator element. If we hadn't created the operator element, we would just see all the fields that we had entered previously. We could delete them and re-enter them, but now here we have a fresh new page layout that we can resubmit. So let's close our app to go back to the platform, and we can close the publish flow window. And now that brings us to the end of activity 14. Now please take approximately 20 minutes to complete activity 14 using your activity guide and referencing pages 107 through 113.